So the other day when I made the video talking about why I wanted to redo the yard, I didn't really get a good clear shot of where the hills and valleys are. And it kind of dawned on me driving home at night that if I shine my headlights across the grass, you can see all the hills and the holes and all the places where there's just all kinds of stuff going on with where the yard is sinking and eroding, and it just needs leveled out really bad. So this was a while ago, but it really highlights, see, there's that big hill where the tree was, and it just slopes off 5 feet in each direction pretty much. It's just a huge hill and a pain to mow around. And then it goes down into the driveway, and it's 2 or 3 inches below the driveway. And then over there where that bare spot and hole is, there are roots coming out of that. It could be from the neighbor's tree or roots from the tree that was here on the left here. But either way, there's stuff in there that needs dug up and tore out. So, and you can see there where it slopes down towards the driveway too. I thought that was a neat way to show, just with one light source, you can see the waves in the yard, just to kind of show where that's needing some work. So that kind of just helps better demonstrate that.